Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, the richest people on the planet. What do they all have in common? It's not just intelligence, it's not just luck, it's what they do every single day. Here are 10 habits of the world's richest people. Habits you can start today. Habit 1. They wake up early. Tim Cook, Jeff Bezos, Richard Branson. Almost every billionaire starts their day before the rest of the world wakes up. Apple CEO Tim Cook wakes up at 3:45 a.m. Richard Branson rises at 5 a.m. Jeff Bezos wakes up naturally, without an alarm, before 7 a.m. and protects his morning hours like they are made of gold. I need 8 hours of sleep. I think better. I have more energy. Jeff Bezos. The morning is quiet. No emails, no noise, no distractions. Billionaires use that silence to think, plan, and prepare before the world demands their attention. Habit 2. They read every single day. Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Elon Musk. Warren Buffett spends 80% of his working day reading. That's 5 to 6 hours of reading every single day. Bill Gates reads 50 books every year, roughly one per week. Elon Musk taught himself rocket science by reading books. Read 500 pages every day. That's how knowledge works. It builds up like compound interest. Warren Buffett. The average person reads less than one book per year. The average billionaire reads one book per week. The gap between rich and poor often starts in the mind. Habit 3. They exercise religiously. Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Richard Branson. Billionaires treat their body like their most important asset. Because it is. Mark Zuckerberg trains in MMA, mixed martial arts, every morning. Richard Branson says exercise gives him 4 extra productive hours per day. Elon Musk, despite working 80 to 100 hours a week, still makes time for the gym. I exercise almost every day. Without my health, nothing else matters. Richard Branson. A healthy body creates a sharp mind, and a sharp mind creates wealth. Habit 4. They invest, not just save. Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos. Poor people save money. Rich people invest money. That is the single biggest financial difference. Warren Buffett started investing at age 11. He bought his first stock, 3 shares of Cities Service, at age 11. Elon Musk reinvests every dollar of profit back into his companies. Do not save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. Warren Buffett. Money sitting in a bank loses value every year due to inflation. Money invested in stocks, businesses, or real estate grows. The rich make their money work for them, even while they sleep. Habit 5. They focus on one thing at a time. Bill Gates, Warren Buffett. In 1991, Bill Gates and Warren Buffett were asked separately, what one word best explains your success? Both of them, without communicating, wrote the same word: focus. Rich people say no to almost everything. They don't chase 10 opportunities at once. They find the one thing they are best at and they go all in. The difference between successful people and very successful people is that very successful people say no to almost everything. Warren Buffett. Focus is the superpower that money cannot buy. Habit 6. They never stop learning. Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Mark Cuban. Billionaires are obsessed with learning, not just in school, but forever. Elon Musk taught himself rocket engineering, battery technology, and AI, all from books and online resources. Mark Cuban, worth over $6 billion, still reads for 3 hours every day. Bill Gates takes think weeks. He disappears alone for 1 week twice a year with nothing but books, papers, and his own thoughts. Once you stop learning, you start dying. Albert Einstein. A quote Buffett lives by: the world changes fast. The people who learn fastest win fastest. Habit 7. They build strong networks. Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Richard Branson. Your network is your net worth. This is not just a motivational quote, it's a business fact. Warren Buffett says the most important investment you can make is in the relationships around you. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett became close friends in 1991, and that friendship shaped both of their careers and philanthropic journeys. It's not what you know, it's who you know, and who knows you. Common billionaire principle. Rich people spend time with people who challenge them, teach them, and push them to grow, not people who drag them down.
Habit 8. They embrace failure.
Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Steve Jobs. SpaceX's first 3 rocket launches all failed. Elon Musk had enough money for one more launch. That 4th launch succeeded and changed the world. Jeff Bezos has said Amazon has made billions of dollars of failures. Steve Jobs was fired from his own company, Apple, in 1985. He came back in 1997 and built it into the most valuable company in history. If you're not failing, you're not innovating enough. Jeff Bezos. Rich people don't fear failure. They use it as data. Every failure teaches them something that success never could. Habit 9. They live below their means. Warren Buffett, Mark Zuckerberg. This one surprises most people. Warren Buffett, worth over $140 billion, still lives in the same house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. He drives his own car. He eats McDonald's for breakfast. Mark Zuckerberg wears the same grey t-shirt almost every day. Why? So he doesn't waste mental energy on small decisions. I don't have a problem with guilt about money. The way I see it is that my money represents an enormous number of tickets to solve problems. Bill Gates. Billionaires spend on assets, businesses, investments, education. Not on liabilities, fancy cars, designer clothes, or things that lose value. Rich people buy things that make them richer. That's the secret. Habit 10. They give back. Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Elon Musk. The final habit, and the most powerful one. Warren Buffett has pledged to give away 99% of his entire fortune. Bill Gates left Microsoft in 2008 to give his life to charity full-time. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation has donated over $60 billion to fight disease, poverty, and inequality around the world. Elon Musk donated $5.7 billion in Tesla shares to charity in 2021. If you are lucky enough to be born in a great country with a great family, find ways to pay that back. Warren Buffett. The richest people in the world understand one thing above all else. True wealth is not what you keep, it's what you give. And that mindset, more than any other, is what truly separates the great from the merely rich. 10 habits proven by the richest people who have ever lived. You don't need $1 billion to start any of these today. Wake up early. Read more. Invest wisely. Focus deeply. Never stop learning. Never fear failure. Which habit will you start first? Comment below. We want to know. Like this video, share it with someone who needs motivation, and subscribe for more videos just like this every week. See you in the next one.